Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello my friends, my name is Aurora Filza Cinta Termawan. I want to tell about a short story, fable story. The title, The Ant and the Dove. Let's go. Once upon a time, a very thirsty. The ant was drinking water from the river. Suddenly, the ant lost his balance and fell into the river. Help! 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 Cried the ant, but no one could hear his cries. A dove sitting on the tree nearby saw that the ant was in trouble. She quickly pulled off a leaf from the tree and dropped it into the water. The ant climbed on the leaf. He thanked the dove for saving his life. After a few days, the dove was sitting on the tree. The ant saw a hunter aiming his arrow at the dove. The ant knew that his friend, the dove, was in danger. He quickly beat the hunter's leg. The hunters lay in prey. The hunter's arrow missed the dove. This time, the ant saved the dove. The dove thanked the ant for saving his life, and they become friends forever. Moral of the story: one good deed safer under. Thank you everyone for watching my video. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.